Beautiful gardens. It's obviously summer now, so it's not quite flowering season, but at least they're pretty well kept. So I'm just walking around here to see what this big building is. Mum says there was a flower show here one year. She went inside. Friends of the Gardens, something Cottage, Gordon Cottage, Prime Minister's Avenue. So that was the Prime Minister's Avenue behind us. So this looks pretty nice here. Obviously hasn't flowered, but nice garden bed. Okay, Robert Clark Horticultural Centre. Okay. So what is this? Obviously Steve can't come in there because dogs won't be allowed, so we won't be able to go in. Okay, I'm going to go in there. I don't think the dog can come in, Mum. You hold him out here. I'm just going to quickly walk in, have a look at this. Okay, it's just a flower observatory, I think it is, inside here. Cool. There you go. Okay. It's actually very cool in here at the moment. It's cooler in here than it is outside. Don't stay out here. Almost like a little rainforest. All the different flowers, there you go, have a look at these. There you go. Check out all these flowers. Different type of flowers here. Check these out, flowers everywhere. Okay, that's pretty cool. There you go. Never been here before, so we're going to exit Robert Clark Conservatory, that's what it says there. Mum and Steve are in the shade over there. And there's an entrance, another entrance there. Yeah, it's a bit warm. It will go in the shade again, yeah. Okay, we got, this is Robert Clark. The conservatory was erected in memory of Robert Clark, born Dunfermline, I think it says, Scotland, 1826, died Ballarat 1902, founder of the Ballarat Courier 1867. His work and influence helped enrich the life of this city. So the city of Ballarat, it's about 100 kilometres, 110 kilometres from Melbourne. So that conservatory was named after him. So how cool was that? Unfortunately, it is quite warm today, but the gardens are beautiful here. Yeah, poor Steve, he's overheating. There you go, you're hot, Steve. Hey Steve, you hot, Steve? You hot? Oh, you poor little bugger. I don't know, we'll go in there. People are going in that little building back there. We'll go have a look. Robert Clark Conservatory, that's where we were. Robert Clark Conservatory. Adam, Lindsay, Gordon Cottage, this way. There's a cottage here. I'm not sure if that's the cottage over there or where the cottage is. Ferns here. We got a bit of shade here, Mum. Bit of shade. There's a cottage just in the distance there, just up ahead. It's actually nice here. Got the shade from the I don't know, what do you call those, like a trellis type sort of roof arrangement. So if I back you can see what it looks like. So it's not complete shade, but because we've got the cover, it's actually quite nice. It's actually nice here because there's total shade here. And this is Adam Lindsay Gordon Craft Cottage. Poet lived in this cottage during the time in Ballarat in the 1860s. The cottage was moved to its present location 1934. So free admission. Don't think we can go in there yet because there's doors closed. That's the cottage. It was moved here from its original location to be in the Botanic Gardens. Oh, I think Mum says that's where we get out. We come out that way. Okay, we'll go back. We'll go back and see what that other building was. Adam Lindsay Gordon Cottage. Since the 1990s, it has been home of the Crafts Council of Ballarat. Okay. 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 You need some water. Okay, we'll head back to the car. We'll head back. I'll keep recording. Adam Lindsay Gordon, poet. That's 1833 to 1870. Adam Lindsay Gordon. And that's his cottage, his house. Wish my house would look like that in, 200 years or whatever, how old it is. Built in 1860s, so it's over 100 and, what's that, 150 years old. It's not too bad for 150 years old. And it's actually very pleasant here in the shade. Cool. Steve's enjoying his day out here. Yeah, these are the ferns, or as Mum calls them, pteris, which are ferns in Greek, pteris. Yep, Steve's doing his wee there. Steve, that's what you think of the ferns? Yeah, nice flowers in there. Do you want to go inside? I'll hold Steve. You want to go have a look? No, you can go in. You can go in. No, it's just, it's like a yadigma, δεν είναι. Δεν κανένας μέσα. Yeah. Alright, if you've been in there. That's alright, little pond here. A little pond. That's nice, isn't it? Succulents here, I've seen a few of these around the place. I was actually looking in this pond section to see if there's any fish, but I can't see any. Yeah, it's nice. I don't know if there's any fish in here, but you can't see. Don't know, there's no fish, but there's like these little funny little mosquito larvae. I don't know what they are. They're not quite fish, but okay. Another statue up here. Flora, presented by Thomas Stoddart, 1884. So even these statues are pretty old. The gardens are all well kept, and they're all roped off where the flowers are. Obviously, we're heading towards midsummer at the moment, so it's not the optimum flowering conditions. But check out the big trees. We're going to have a look at this. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, okay. Let's walk inside. Okay, statues in the botanical gardens. Okay, it talks about those statues that we've seen. Okay. Statues in the botanical gardens. I won't read everything. Modesty. Modesty, Rebecca, to memory of James, to the memory of James Russell Thompson, born Airdrie, Scotland, 24th of May 1818, lived in Ballarat for 33 years, died 26 May 1886. Okay, I'll back and see what this is. The flight from Pompeii. Pompeii. Obviously the people were trying to escape from the eruption of Mount Vesuvius. I think it was 86 AD. 79, 86, somewhere around there, I'm not 100% sure. Pompeii in Italy. Susanna. How are you, Susanna? And Ruth. We've got Ruth here, so how cool is that? I'll just back now so you can see what it looks like inside. Pretty cool structure. Okay. Yeah, Mum's got Steve. Mum's got Steve. Steve, come here. Say hello, Steve. That's it. Say hello to the camera, Steve. Wagging his tail. There you go.